Hey there, hungry for knowledge? Brain Food Lab is here to feed your mind. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. The secret to glowing skin, a sunny disposition, and overall well-being. It's all about food, people. Yep, you heard it right. Ready to level up your life and unlock your inner radiance? Let's dive in. First up, we have the ultimate glow-getter, the avocado. Often overlooked as just a creamy addition to guacamole, this green gem is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with healthy fats, vitamins like E and K, and antioxidants, avocado is a skincare superhero. These healthy fats help your body absorb essential nutrients, contributing to that radiant glow. Plus, avocados are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. So not only will your skin thank you, but your overall health will benefit too. Next, let's talk about salmon, a true superstar in the realm of nutrition. This orange-hued fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats help combat skin redness and irritation, promoting a calm and even complexion. Beyond skin benefits, salmon is an excellent source of protein, essential for tissue repair and building strong, healthy hair. Plus, it contains vitamin D, crucial for calcium absorption, which contributes to bone health and indirectly supports skin elasticity. So, indulge in this delicious fish not only for its taste, but for the remarkable benefits it offers to your skin and overall well-being. Opt for wild-caught salmon when possible, as it tends to be higher in omega-3s. Berries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, nature's defense against harmful free radicals. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all excellent choices. These antioxidants help protect your skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution, reducing signs of aging. Additionally, berries are rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen production, the protein that gives your skin its structure and elasticity. For an extra boost, consider incorporating berries into your breakfast or as a refreshing snack. Blueberries in particular are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants linked to improved brain function and memory. Want to learn more about the science behind your food? Hit that subscribe button for in-depth explorations. Whole grains are like the unsung heroes of our diet. They provide sustained energy, help regulate blood sugar levels, and support healthy skin and hair. Opt for brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and oats to reap the benefits of their fiber content. Fiber aids digestion, which can positively impact skin clarity. Whole grains also contain B vitamins, essential for cell growth and repair, including skin cells. Brown rice, for example, is a good source of magnesium, which helps in collagen production. Last but not least, let's give a shout out to leafy greens. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they nourish your skin from within. Spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce are excellent choices. These leafy greens are rich in vitamin A, essential for skin cell renewal, and vitamin K, which contributes to skin elasticity. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet can also help hydrate your body, which is crucial for maintaining plump and supple skin. Spinach is particularly high in iron, which helps deliver oxygen to the skin cells, promoting a healthy complexion. Remember, beauty comes from within. By incorporating these nourishing foods into your diet, you're not just feeding your body, you're investing in your overall well-being. So go ahead, treat yourself to a delicious and nutritious meal, and watch your inner and outer beauty shine. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more brain food goodness.